back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2012 Cadillac ATS with the 2.5. So this is going to be common with a lot of this Cadillac style batteries going to be in the trunk. So got a dead battery. First thing you're going to need, a set of jumper cables or a jump box, which I have a jump box. Pop the hood, go up to the jump point, get it to the point where you can get some power, and you can pop the trunk and get to everything. So this is going to be the battery replacement side. There is this little valance. I take it out. It's going to take out two T45 Torx bits, and then that piece comes right out. Also take out the back trunk cover area. Once that is off, this will be exposed. This little cover from where the battery's at on the driver's side. It could be a push pin right here. Pop it out, little tool like yay. Pop it out. You can remove the whole thing, but there's some stuff up underneath there that you have to take out, so I just basically swung it out of the way to get it to the point where I can just get to the battery. All right, next, battery hold down. 10mm right here, and this bracket right here will clip into certain things. If you get the wrong size battery, it looks like it will not work, because this is a little tang right here that holds this whole thing in place. Pop the tin off, rotate out, it'll come out of this way. Here's your vent for the battery. Make sure it's an AMG, because AMG's aggregated glass matting. Big word. Means there's not fluid that sloshes around like a normal lead acid battery in here. Because it's in the trunk, you don't want that fluid sloshing around, possibly spilling out. Corrosion, sulfuric acid, get into people's lungs and die. Big lawsuit. So that's why they have these kind of stupid expensive batteries for that purpose. BMW, Mercedes, Chrysler, anybody will have that fits inside the car will usually have an AMG battery. Alright, so next thing. This little piece will be over the positive side. Pop this little clip right here. This piece will lift up. 13mm bolt right here will take off the main power wire that goes right here, so you would pick it up, swing it out of the way, and then basically put everything back together. Pretty self-sufficient. 10s for the terminals, 13 for that big nut right there, push pin tool, and T45 for the valance in the back. That's about all tools you need. This will not require any kind of battery registration like a BMW would. Slap it in, hop inside, fire it up, let it roll. All right. Any questions, comments, please let me know.